Hello guys, so this is a quick video. I'm currently working on a project and there's one issue that I always notice with Elementor icon widget. I don't know why Elementor, like why it hasn't been fixed till now, but for some odd reason, I'm going to show you. If you're using the, what's it called? The icon widget, the width of the icon, it's always aligned to the icon itself, not the outer that's the container of the icon. So what that means is the width is always, if you set a padding to this, for example, it doesn't the container of the widget, it doesn't accommodate to this increase in size. I don't know why this hasn't been fixed. It has always been like this. I don't know why the Elementor just refuses to fix this. This is not something that is difficult to fix. You can use custom CSS to fix it. So that's why I'm making this video. If you're working with Elementor and you have to do something like this, you have to use this whole custom padding setting on the icon part, and you keep having this issue. I've created a code, a CSS code that fixes this essentially for the entire project. So I'm just going to show you how to do that. So just go to custom CSS. Ideally, you want to put this at your general CSS tab. So let's say you have to go to site settings and all that, but I just want to show you how it works. So I'm going to paste it in custom CSS. So this is the code. It's elementor-widget-icon. All it does is it makes the width to fit content, and it makes the flex to be 00 auto. So what that does is it forces the parent container to always accommodate. So you see now the width of the widget itself is following is considering the padding. So that's just why I'm making this video. If you don't do this, you're going to have wildly inconsistent icons, especially when you're trying to do something like a pixel perfect conversion from Figma. Let's say you're working on a project and you're trying to make an icon to be exactly like on Figma. It's going to ruin everything. So that's how I fix this. I always add this to every project, and I don't even add it here. I actually go to site settings and I go to custom CSS on site settings, so it can affect all icons on the site. So custom CSS under site settings, I paste it in here and that fixes it. But like I said, this is something that Elementor should have fixed. I've noticed this for a very long time, and they don't just ignore the smallest issues, and then they bring features like what's it called, AI, whatever, and those things are not really what moves the needle for most developers. It's the little issues like these, a lot of little things that you need custom code for when you're working with Elementor. And if you don't understand custom code, you're going to keep running into those issues. So yeah, that's basically why I made this video. Just wanted to share this little detail for anybody that finds it useful. So if you've noticed it, you can leave a comment on the video below. Other issues you've also noticed when working with the editor. And yeah, you can actually reach out to Elementor. I already reached out to Elementor about this issue. You can reach out to them so we can, the more people that talk about issues, the more they're going to consider fixing it. So yeah, that's basically it for this video. See you guys in the next one.